Kann man den Leuchtturm sogar sehen.
11997, Riser 474.
Local approach, good afternoon, Lufthansa 454 Super, approaching 1000. Information Charlie.
Lufthansa 454 Super, NorCal approach, Roger, depart, San Francisco 8140, vector for the visual approach, runway 28 to the left.
Lufthansa 454, depart San Francisco heading 140. For vectors for ILS or 28, for visual approach 28
left.
28 left and right.
And Lufthansa 454 Super, actually expect the ILS runway 28 right.
Lufthansa 454, expect ILS 28 right.
6855, heading 360, contact NorCal.
Hab mich schon gewundert.
5.65, let her know your speed and heading.
3555. Crossover at 10,000. Sky was
6464, Monterey altimeter 3015.
3015.
Auf der linken Seite.
Jetzt die Golden Gate, Alcatraz und Downtown San Francisco. Left side, Golden Gate, Alcatraz Island and Downtown San Francisco.
Richtig schick. So ist ganz gut.
Lufthansa 454 Super, reduce speed to 230.
Lufthansa 454, reducing speed 230.
Lufthansa 454 Heavy, reduce speed to 210, then descend and maintain 6,000.
Lufthansa 454, reducing speed 210, descending 6000.
Lufthansa 454 Heavy, contact NorCal approach 135.65, good day.
135.65, Lufthansa 454.
Heading 140.
Yeah.
Lufthansa 454 Super, NorCal approach, reduce speed to 180.
Lufthansa 454, reducing speed 180.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Lufthansa 454 Super, turn left heading 100.
Lufthansa 454, left hand heading 100. 2000.
Jo.
That was 6855, thanks for your help, contact tower 120.5, good day.
120.5, any day, Sky 6855.
Kannst aufräumen, SFO und Manual raus und...
Dann mach das doch hier.
NorCal Horizon 187, leveling 5,000, crossing Woodside 110 after Woodside.
Horizon 187, NorCal approach, roger.
Silicon Valley.
1000.
1000. Silicon Valley.
Lufthansa 454 Super, turn left heading 040.
Lufthansa 454, heading 040. Und NAV ist noch armed.
NorCal Horizon 187, leveling 5,000, crossing Woodside 110 after Woodside.
Horizon 187, NorCal approach, roger.
NorCal Sky was 6840, 7,200, descending 6,000, heading 040.
Yeah, 6840 NorCal approach, caution wake turbulence and trail behind the Super A380.
Na, was fliegt denn da? L-Star.
Jawohl.
Lufthansa 454 Super, descend and maintain 4,000, turn left heading 010.
Lufthansa 454, heading 010, leaving 6.
4000 Blue.
Yep. 1000.
Checked.
Lufthansa 454 Super, 3 miles from Dumba, turn left heading 310, cross Dumba at or above 4,000, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
Lufthansa 454, left heading 310, Dumba 4000 or above, and cleared ILS 28 right.
Now at 6840 traffic 10 o'clock and 3
Dumba
miles.
ist bei 16,1 DME von
Ja.
Traffic at Sky, Sky was 6840.
unmanaged.
Lufthansa 454 Super, maintain 180 knots until action.
Lufthansa 454, 180 till Axmal.
To where?
Axmal.
Axmel. Oh ja. Lockstar. Okay. Das wird ja sportlich.
Got 6840, reach speed of 180, flighting 060.
Float 180, heading 060, Sky 64.
Flaps 2.
Flaps 2.
Got 6404, reduce speed of 180.
Slow at 180, tower 401.
Roger, 187, contact approach 120.1, take care.
20.1 for S187, good day.
Lufthansa 454, super caution, wait turbines in trail behind the Boeing 757, same runway, reduce speed now to 160.
Lufthansa 454, reducing speed 160.
Lufthansa 454, the Boeing 757 you're following has actually moved over to the left runway now.
454. Okay, der crossed hier gerade gleich unsere Centerline.
Left turn heading 090, yeah, 6840, traffic 11 o'clock and 5 miles westbound 7000, descending regional jet for runway 28 right.
Gear down.
2,500.
Traffic inside, San 6040.
Yeah, 6840, maintain visual separation, turn left heading 360.
Maintain visual left 360.
Turn left heading 040.
Flaps 3.
Flaps 3.
Runway 28 left, localize.
3000 Fuß ins Fenster. Flaps full.
Flaps full.
Lufthansa 454, super reducing final approach speed and contact tower 120.5, take care.
Lufthansa 454, reducing final approach, tower 28.5, jump.
Landing checklist.
Landing all green flaps full.
All green flaps full.
99 heavy, good day.
San Francisco Tower, Lufthansa 454 Super, approaching 28 right.
The 454 Super, San Francisco 28 right, clear to land, wind 28015.
Lufthansa 454, clear to land, 28 right.
Redwood 342, wind 280 at 14, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, Redwood 342.
Checked.
Checked.
American 431, left turn, ground 28.
Da rollen gerade 2 noch zum Start.
That was the 603 kilo, San
Runway's
Francisco 1
clear.
left, line up and wait.
Cross 1 left, cross 1 right, hold short at 28 left, Hawaiian 11 heavy.
Redwood 342, contact north out departure.
Departure, Redwood 342.
So 12 Golf, traffic off your right is a 737 northbound.
Inside, 12 Golf.
So 12 Golf, maintain visual separation with the 737.
Okay, 12 Golf.
Southwest 433, south off your left is a
Continue.
Cardinal, has you in sight, maintaining visual separation, contact north out departure.
Going to departure, we're looking for Cardinal Southwest 433, yeah.
100. $50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Spoilers, reverse green, BTV.
436, San Francisco 928 left, line up and wait, traffic go across downfield and depart north.
Alright, sorry, I was interrupted by the freak.
Andrews 436, runway 128 left, line up and wait, traffic go depart.
Lufthansa 454 Super.
Taxi across, turn 28 left, then contact ground, 121.8. Willkommen in San Francisco.
Lufthansa 454.
Thank you.
Leave via Quebec and cross 28 left, ground 8.
Thank you so much.
CT traffic hold in position on 28, wind 28014, runway 1 right, cleared.
Kapitän Braps und die gesamte Besatzung verabschieden sich jetzt.
Und wie make Ross?
Yes. cross straight left. That's fine.
Die Strecke kennen wir.
Ja. Eigentlich geradeaus.
Ja.
Nur die stehen da.
Montag ist Waschtag bei uns und wir lassen jetzt gerade das Flugzeug waschen.
Die stehen da ein bisschen falsch.
Hey, da steht auch einer. Ja, das geht nicht anders.
We usually have our aircraft cleaned on Mondays.
Oh Mann, oh Mann, oh Mann.
LP is available.
Wunderbar.
Lufthansa 454 Super, clear the Golf 101.
Lufthansa 454, cleared
United
Golf
885
101.
Heavy, hold short of runway 1 left on Foxtrot. Monitor the tower, 120.5.
Right side is clear.
Citation Golf Juliet Charlie, hold short of taxiway Echo. Redwood 956 San Francisco ground, push back your discretion to spot 5 Alpha.
Our discretion is spot 5 Alpha, Redwood 956.
That was 6840 San Francisco ground taxiway Kilo Alpha to the ramp.
Kilo Alpha to the ramp for 6840.
Ground Skywest 6464 is off at 28 left for gate 76 Bravo.
Skywest 6464 San Francisco ground taxiway Bravo Kilo Alpha to the ramp.
Bravo Kilo Alpha to the ramp. Skywest 6464.
Shuttle 2966 San Francisco ground taxiway Alpha to the ramp.
Via Alpha Shuttle 2966.
Parking, external lights.
Off.
Parking brake.
Ist noch on.
Checklist completed.
Dankeschön.
Ground Cockpit.
Good afternoon. Oh, good morning, rather.
Hallo, moin. Die Chocks werden rangesetzt, das dauert noch einen kleinen Moment.
Ja, okay, Dankeschön. Wir haben hier beim Flieger nix.
Das ist gut zu hören. Alles klar, bis gleich.
Wir machen ja nichts kaputt.
Danke.
So, meine sehr verehrten Damen und Herren, das war der erste Teil unserer Reise. Ich hoffe, er hat Ihnen Spaß gemacht. Sie haben einen sehr schönen Anflug auf San Francisco genossen. Morgen lade ich Sie ein zum Katamaransegeln in der Bay von San Francisco, im Hafen und abends ins Cliff House. Sie können sich auf weitere spannende Ereignisse freuen.